Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Myself. I am a girl. My name is Sarah. I am 5 years old. I read in class 1. I like to go to school. I have one sister and one brother. My father is a doctor. He is a gentleman. My mother is a housewife. She cooks delicious foods. I like to help my mother. I like to eat apples. My favorite toy is a doll. I like to play with my doll. My favorite subject is English. I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth every day. I love to draw and color. I always eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables, and avoid junk food and soft drinks. I like to drink mango juice. My favorite game is hide and seek. My favorite color is red. I like to listen stories from my grandmother. I always respect my elders. I am a good girl.